Hello, welcome to Aromatherapy Wizardry. I'm Michelle Mailer, and today we're going to talk about which oils, essential oils you can use for helping with happy sleep, insomnia, and letting go of anxiety and the monkey mind before you go to bed. So some of the oils that I like to use for sleep are lavender, which is very calming, and it can help you to let go of worrying, overthinking. It's very relaxing. It can also help with inflammation. So if you put a little on your neck before bed, it can help with all of those things through the back of the neck, the top of the spine. There's a little spot there that absorbs the oils in and sends them to your brain, which tells your brain to calm down and let go of all those worries so you can have some good sleep, deep sleep, and good dreams. And the oils that are good for dreams would be sandalwood and Clarysage. Sandalwood is very specifically good for grounding and centering and dispelling nightmares and also insomnia. And Clarysage is good for emotional balance, like a first aid for your soul, I would call it, and also helps balance hormones. It also helps you to have better recollection of your dreams. It's called the dream recall oil. So when you use Clarysage, maybe in combination with sandalwood and lavender, you could have all of those effects together: relaxation, deep sleep, and be able to remember your dreams. And there's some other fun oils you can use that make you just feel happy before you go to sleep. Citrus oils are great for that. You definitely want to use not too large of amount of the citrus oils, because they can be stimulating. If you used only citrus oils, it can make you excited. So you'd want to use maybe half citrus and then half some other oils like lavender, sandalwood, Clarysage, something like that. Marjoram is also a good oil for helping deal with insomnia and overthinking and things like that. It's also a hormone balancer as well. Let me think what else. Vanilla is super calming because it just makes you feel happy. Orange is definitely one of my favorite of the citruses for helping get ready for bed and helping you to have just super happy sleep. If you have another favorite oil that makes you feel good when you smell it, you could add that to a blend too. And when I'm talking about all these different oils and using them for sleep, I would suggest either putting them in a diffuser, and that would affect your olfactory system for a few hours while the diffuser is running. But if you apply the oils to your body, it actually does a deeper, broader spectrum of effects. So you would add a little carrier oil to some of those oils. And let's say you're doing a little 1/3 ounce dream or sleep oil like this. You would use about 10 to 15 drops of essential oils for a mellow scent, and about 20 if you want a little bit of a stronger scent. Anywhere between 10 and 20 drops per 1/3 ounce of carrier oil is going to be a very effective blend. So if you like the smell a little stronger, use 20 drops. If you want it to be more subtle, use around 10. And that would be total of all of your oils. So let's say we're adding lavender, sandalwood, Clarysage, and marjoram to this oil, which is what's in my Dreamweaver blend. You would use about the same amounts of all of those oils, so maybe 4 drops each to make a nice subtle blend, or 5 drops each if you want to do a little bit of stronger blend. And you put all of your oils into the bottle, the 5 drops of each, add a little carrier oil to fill it, shake it up a little, and it'll stay mixed until you are done using the bottle. And if you use jojoba as a carrier, it should have about a 3-year shelf life. Hopefully you'll use it quicker than that and have some happy sleep, wonderful dreams, and I look forward to seeing you on another video with Aromatherapy Wizardry. Thanks, and go to circleofhealingessentialoils.com if you would like to look for the Dreamweaver blend.